Finance met today to try to get a handle on what they can do to keep the public school employees' insurance viable. Our Jay Burr joining us live from the state capitol with more on what happened at that meeting. Jay.
Yeah, Donna, the situation right now critical for the public public school employees, insurance program. Now, if nothing were to be done at all, the program is looking at an additional $70 million deficit for next year. Now, today, the board discussed different variations of rate increases and benefit changes in order to bring revenues for the program up. Secretary of Education Johnny Key was in the legislature back in 2013, the last time the insurance plan program was at critical levels, and he says he sees a lot of similarities between then and now.
So what you are looking at now is kind of what I would consider a repeat, and it's all based on what we're seeing with the experience and the utilization in the plan.
We don't have the ability to close the gap with the options that are available to this board.
Now, Secretary Walther told me that the utilization of the program has been premature bursts, very similar to what it was in 2013, which are very expensive and constrain the plan as a whole if there are enough cases in a short period of time. Now, the board has asked the Department of Education to ask for a $35 million allotment to sort of help float the program in the short term. And then those changes in the rates and some of the benefits, they will kind of make up the difference between those two things. Now, officials are looking to negotiate with their provider to try to make this thing viable for the long term. They have extended the current contract through the end of the calendar year. They do expect hopefully something to be locked up before that, and the board will make a decision on those rate increases and those benefit changes in the next couple of weeks. But for now, live from the state capitol, Jay Burr, Fox 16 News.